We'll guide you through how to add button in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go into any website of your choice and wait for it to load. Then move your cursor to the search bar at the top of the screen. Left-click the search bar to select it so you can type. Type Notion into the search bar and press Enter so the browser can load the results. When the results appear, go to the first web option that shows up and open it. Once the Notion site loads, log in or sign into your account so you can reach your workspace. After you log in, go to the Private section on the left sidebar to view your pages. Then press the plus button on the right to add a new page inside your Private section. When the new page opens, give a name to your page by typing a title at the top. After you name your page, go to the main section of the page and type /button. A list of options will appear, and you should select the button option so the feature can be added to your page. Once the button appears, give a name to your button option by typing into the text field. After naming the button, go to the News section below it by left-clicking on it. This section controls what the button will do. Inside this menu, select the option that says Open Page, Forms, or URL. This will let you connect the button to a specific action. When the input field appears, type or paste the link that you want your button to open. Make sure the link is correct so the button works the way you want. After typing the link, press Done to save your button settings. Your button will now be active and ready to use. You can interact with the button at any time by left-clicking it, and it will take you to the link you added. This is useful for quick access to pages, forms, websites, or anything else you want to open directly from your Notion workspace. With this simple setup, you can build shortcuts inside your page and make your workspace feel more organized.